what's up guys, you're watching TechGamer, and I know my last few videos have been Nexus 9, Nexus 9 and Nexus 9, and this video, you probably already know by the title, is another Nexus 9 video, and you're probably fed up with all these Nexus 9 videos, so I thought of starting a weekly rumor series of videos where I just talk you guys through some upcoming technology and rumors about them. I don't know what you guys think about that. I'm planning on this Saturday's video where I'll go through some rumors about like next year's iPhone 6s and the Samsung Galaxy S6 and what HTC has for us, and I just wanted to know your guys' opinions, whether I should start that, whether I should just not start it, or do you think it's a good idea overall? So that's out of the way. Now let's get into the main video and show you guys what's on my Nexus 9. So taking a look at the outside, I've got this black case which can fold into a kickstand like so, which is pretty neat, and of course you can also use it like this for keyboard, for typing purposes, like that, you know. And you probably already noticed that when I did lift this cover up, the screen lit up like so, and we're just going to unlock this and go into the home screen. I've got this live wallpaper running in the background. If you want to check it out, then I'll have links in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. I really like this wallpaper since you can customize a lot of things in it. I can change the speed of the asteroids. I think they got faster. It's definitely not a good idea to use this wallpaper if you need to save some battery, because trust me, this does drain a lot of battery, but again, you can turn on the battery saver option if you would like to do so. Now taking a look at my app drawer, I have 8 Ball Pool, which is a pretty cool game, I play it sometimes. Then I've got Amazon, which you probably know what already is. Android Authority application, where Android Authority uploads their articles, readable articles. And then Androidify. I really recommend to check this out because it's really cool. You can make your own Android. You can make it wear your own clothes and all sorts of cool stuff. Give it accessories, change its hair, all sorts of cool stuff, and then you can share your Androids as well. So there's my Android. Okay, and then we have Argos, Asphalt 8, Asteroids 3D, which was the wallpaper I showed you at the beginning of the video, and then Avast Mobile Security, Candy Crush Soda Saga. I play this sometimes. I mean, I'm not that interested into Candy Crush or any other games made by King, but I'm on level 16, just in case you were wondering. It's an okay game. I mean, it's good for passing time. But then I've got Clash of Clans, which is my most played game, and just if you want to know, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to actually quickly collect my loot. Got attacked, minus 22 trophies. There you go, that was just quickly collecting my loot. And then after Clash of Clans, there's Class Dojo, which is an app I had to download for my Spanish class. And then I've got Daddy Longlegs. My high score in this is okay. I play this on my phone usually, not on my tablet, and I don't know why it's okay. It rotated. My high score is 17.66 meters. And I've got Dictionary to check up words, obviously. Google Docs, Google Drive. Okay, these were already installed. eBay, for eBay. And then what do we have? We have Epic Citadel, which I played in my review, so if you missed my review, check that out as well. It will be in the description. F18 Korea Landing Light is a really cool plane game, which again I played in my reviews for you to check out if you're interested. Then I've got Facebook, Flight in the Sky, which is another really cool wallpaper. And then I've got Flipboard and then Geekbench 3 to check benchmarks. After that I have Gmail, which I don't use, I use Inbox, which is a much better alternative. Google Hindi language, oh yeah, Google I/O, Helpouts, which is a pretty decent app. I can just search for anything, for any sort of instructions I want, whether it be technology, food, maths homework, or which I don't need help with maths homework because I'm such a genius at it. So Inbox, which I mentioned earlier, is a much better alternative for Google Plus. Google Mail, Gmail. You can bundle emails together, snooze email, pin emails, mark them as done, all sorts of cool stuff. So that is much more convenient as well. And then I've got Google Keep, Maps, Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business, Nova settings, which I'll get onto later on. And then I've got OTG Disk Explorer, which basically lets your tablet read your USB memory stick. And if you don't know how to connect a memory stick to your Android device, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do a tutorial on that. Outlook.com to check Hotmail emails, Pages Manager to manage my Tech AM page. Then I've got all these Google apps. What else? Pocket to save articles which I might want to read later. Quizlet, Reddit is fun, the Reddit app, and then Shazam. And then I've got Skype. Snapseed is a photo editing app. Stick Hero. It's a pretty addictive game, to be honest. SwiftKey, the keyboard I mostly use. The Bot Squad is a really cool game. Twitter, and Yumly, where you can check recipes. Now let's take a look at the launcher I'm using, called Nova Launcher, which basically lets you customize anything from size of the dot to the color of your application label to animations, everything. I can customize the amount of columns on my home screen and the amount of rows on my app drawer, and so much more stuff. You can see over here a height margin, scroll effect. Right now my scroll effect is set to cube, but I can set it to card stack and it will look like that. So you can see, I'm going to leave it to cube, it looks nice. And then I've got infinity scroll, change the color of the labels, label shadow, resize widgets, tons of cool settings you can play around with, and just basically customize as much as you want. It actually takes quite a long time to find out what each thing does, but when you do know what each thing does, it's really worth the time spent into it. So on my home screen, I have all my shopping apps into that folder, photography apps into that folder, other Google apps, which I don't think can be classed into a folder, any other folder, and then productivity, all this stuff, sheets, keep, slides, docs, drive, pages, and then all my games that I mentioned before, the Google Play Entertainment category, and all the social stuff. So I think that's pretty much it, isn't it? I'm just going to quickly check my notifications. I haven't got any other users, so I'm the only user on this tablet. So I think that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions on any apps I should get, be sure to let me know in the comment section below, and also don't hesitate to ask me any questions in the comment section as well on what apps, on the links of any of these apps that I mentioned in these videos, because these are some pretty cool apps, I think, especially Nova Launcher, which I think is the best launcher you can get on any Android device right now. And so I guess that brings us to the end. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more tech videos like this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.